What's up guys, Josh here for Axiom Fitness Academy. Today we're going to be talking about some programming. So there's a big reason why we actually have programming involved with our clients, and that's to make sure that they're actually receiving the results that we're trying to get them. Eric Cressey has a great quote where he says, random workouts produce random results. So to me, what that means is that if you're just making up workouts on the fly, you're not really programming them out, then your clients really aren't going to be getting those great results. They might be up and down. You can't really tell exactly what's working and what's not. So I'm just gonna give you an example of how I like to program for my clients. So I'll start off with what we call triplexes. So that's a group of 3 exercises that we do in circuit fashion, okay? So I'm gonna start off with an upper body push movement into a lower body pull. And the reason why I switched those 2 up is because on that lower body pull, your grip is probably going to be your limiting factor. So if we pair up a pull here and a pull here, that grip is going to be the thing that's limiting you, not your actual muscles, okay? Moving down the line, then we go into our upper body pull, lower body push, and again, another core or cardio. And then we'll finish up with some type of assistant exercise for upper body, some type of assistance for our lower, and then again, one more time, some core or some cardio, just depending on what our client is looking for. And again, we hit those assistant exercises at the very end, because after these first 2, our clients are probably pretty fatigued, so we don't want to just add on to that fatigue a little bit more and crush them to death. So we just add on some assistance, just making sure that they're getting the work that they need. This is just the way that I like to program for my clients. You might not necessarily have to, just depending on the type of clients that you're working with. However, having some type of program, some way that you can keep track of what your clients are doing is going to be super beneficial, because again, that's how we see if they're actually making results or not.